It is 1:47 p.m. this afternoon. We got the CSX somewhere around this point. We got the CSX locomotive passing me by. It must be m316-06, eastbound mixed freight train, and it's on its way to the Grafton Yard, heading to the Cumberland Yard, heading east on Main 2. Let's check it out. Here we go.
He did that once to my car, and he was in my car, and started banging on the side of the door, and it's all plastic. And I thought he cracked it, so I jumped out of my car. I told him to get out. He didn't get out, so I jumped out, opened the door, ran him, yanked him out, and he gave me this dirt. I said, "You better get that look off your face on my mouth." I was like, "Don't you tear up my car."
He slammed the door in here, so I thought he locked me out. You show my crow, but I like to get him back. How did I feel it? So when you're not going over, just like the rest of it. So he hit him over his dad in a little bit. I walked him to the corner and then.
All up there.
This is the corner of the building right here.
Yeah, because the church is right there. It's like, I think he'll be there for like an hour or two.
Man, you need to go to PRA on this.
What time's he leaving at 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, he'll be back after 4. A little bit after 4. Yeah. Do you have to clock in as?
PRA.
Yeah, while he's gone.
General.
Yeah.
They told me to clean someone do dishes and.
Well, you don't have to. I mean, or if you got something to do, you do you, man, for real. Because that's what I used to let Bill do. When Bill had things to do, I'd tell him to go.
All that I can do is go get the snuff, that's all.
You do you, man,
I
for real.
wasn't gonna leave him, I tried to fight himself, acting up, coming back.
You could stay gone the whole 2 hours. I don't care. I let Bill. It don't
Well,
bother me
I
a bit, man.
was looking on back and clean, I don't mind it.
Yeah, it don't bother me a bit, man.
Yeah. Oh, I don't get it.
Wait till you have to save him from having guys wanting to beat him up. Wait till that happens. I've had to do that a few times.
Oh, he would walk out, get fired, and scream at this guy, I want to fucking jump in there and leave, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah. We was at Walmart once, and I mean, I guess he was hitting on the girl. I don't know, but he said, "What's up to the chick?" Woman's husband didn't appreciate that. He was wanting to fight her in the middle of Walmart. I mean, how? Like, saying, "Come on, you just talked to the wrong woman. You said what's up to the wrong woman." And I told him, I was like, "Man, he's mentally retarded, man. He's handicapped, dude. Have you ever heard of the Ark of Harrison County?" And he goes, "Fucking retarded or not, I don't look at that. I can't let you do that, dude."
Yeah. Much you probably want to do.
Yeah, I mean, so, and he's going like this, and I'm like, "Come on, Josh, let's go."
Well.
Yeah, I had to stop a couple times, man. This one time we was at the stoplight. He doesn't like when people push the crosswalk button.
Yeah.
We're at the stoplight because we had to wait longer.
Yeah.
This guy did it. He rolled the window down and started cussing him out and said the guy was wanting to fight him. And the guy had a sword. I was like, all he had to do was pull.
Yeah.
It was one of those Matthews.
Yeah, oh
And
yeah.
that's it. That's the end. 700 train to CSX M316-06, eastbound mixed freight train. The train originates from the Cincinnati, Ohio Queensgate Yard, heads east to the Cumberland, Maryland, where it terminates at the Cumberland Yard. that often works for the Russell, Kentucky, Grafton, and Kaiser, West Virginia railroad route on that point. So, this is Josh Ryan, your local Central and West Virginia rail fan, and we are out on this
Right?
Friday, December 6th, 2022, for Josh Ryan on the YouTube channel. Roll 'em.